3, 2, 1, jump!
Hello friends, Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Thumbs Up Official, and thank you so much for tuning into this channel. You know, there are online jobs that are available out there for your teenagers. If you have a teenager just sitting around at home, they are not in school, especially the undergraduate, still, they are at home, still on strike in federal universities. They are really online jobs, great online jobs they can do to occupy themselves, and not only that, they can actually make money from some of these jobs. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 best online jobs for your team. If you are just tuning in, welcome to my channel Thumbs Up Official. I am Jasmine Alvino. This is a channel where we bring to you lots of opportunities out there to make money. Not only that, we give you tips on self, personal development. This channel is all about, and if we have some digital skills, we actually upload them on this channel. So the first job I think your team can benefit from, to look out for, for online service sites. What to do, they actually do there, they are paid to do give their opinions or reviews or answer questions, survey questions. Okay, that's what they actually do on this site, and a teenager can actually do this from the age of 13. They can do that. You can actually supervise them while doing this as a parent. Some of the sites they can actually search out for service. We have Swagbucks.com. At the age of 13, they can actually sign up on swagbucks.com and earn money by filling out survey. Then another job they can actually do is to watch ad for money. There are sites that pay you, and young as 13 plus they can actually look out for this site and sign up. Okay, if you actually permit and supervise, all right. So a website that can help them is MyPoint.com. MyPoint.com, you are paid to watch ads on a lot of companies. It could be ads on services, it could be ads on physical products, and when you watch these ads you get paid. Another job I'll bring to you today. Okay, one of the jobs your team can actually do is they can get paid to review songs. There are sites that pay people to review songs. If you are a lover of music, you love listening to music, and you give your reviews on search music, there are sites I can pay you, and a teenager love music, the no trending music, they can actually do this job and get paid instead of just a while in a wait time, wasting their data watching irrelevant things. They can actually make money is still doing some of those irrelevant things actually. So for as young as 13 plus, they can to this they listening to the music, leave their reviews. Not only that, they can give reviews on clothings, they can give reviews on brands. They can give reviews on some record labels. They can actually do that. And inside I recommend is slicethepie.com, and slicethepie.com, you are paid to reach, to listen to music and to leave a review on the music you listen to. All another online job I would recommend for your team is to sell stuff online. Yes, there are websites that can actually sell things they no longer use, such as the clutcher.com. They can actually search out this site. They can sell books they no longer use. They can sell electronics. There are lots of things they can sell art and craft, because they can sell these things. We have 18 they can actually sell on Amazon. Also, there are some service sites that the end gift card can actually use some of these gift cards to purchase things or to sell them. They can actually auctions items in eBay. They can auctions items they no longer use or good items. They can produce some nice art crafts and sell while at home. We also have data entry jobs. Your teams can actually do that. There are some of them that are very good with computers. All right, they can actually use this their time, spend their time wisely by looking out for data entry job. It is very easy to do and it requires data and internet connection. If you are good at typing, this job is for you. You can actually search for data entry job. Flex job, they can upload their profile and place their price. Right, fiverr.com, we have Upwork, we have virtual vacations, we have a stick track, mechanical turk, and so on and so forth. So your team can actually do their job. We also have the job of reviewer. All right, call reviewer. They can know there are sites where people calls that are revealed based on their receptiveness, how a nice reviewer, how chatty, how happy they were in their car. Most times when we hear those background voices on some telecommunication network, the call, maybe the number you are calling is being forwarded also. All those are done in some sites such as humanitic.com. So in this site you can actually become a call reviewer, and these are lovely jobs, great jobs that your teens can actually do. A thing can actually test websites and app. This is very important. Some people just love that at this age. Some children are already becoming coding addict. They are learning how to code. Most of these are things they are becoming addicted to phones. All right, but you can channel their energy to something beneficial. They can actually earn still using the phone, and it can actually limit the time they spend on irrelevant things. Check inside, they are not permitted to check. So they can test website as a user. They can use a newly website that just went live, check it out and know whether it's user friendly, and if there are problems they can identify. They can actually get that across to the web developer and app developer. So this can be a job that you can get paid, and your team can get paid on a website. I recommend is usertesting.com. They can as well start a YouTube channel. These younger ones, they have more passionate in this kind of job. This one we are just starting it out and old age, but where these young ones, the energy is still there. As young as 13 they can sign up, open a study channel at youth on youtube.com. It is very fun to do. I'm actually enjoying myself. I'm catching phone actually doing this. I never knew I could it could be so much fun. Also they can earn money. They can build an audience, watch the audience grow, and through Google AdSense and affiliate marketing you can start earning money. And if they love writing, they can actually become a bloggers. They can blog, they can write, and still earning money through affiliate links and Google AdSense. They can actually apply for online tutoring job if there are some subjects they are very good at. Sometimes children learn more when they are being taught by their maths. If they are good the mathematics, good in English language, they can actually tutor. If you are still watching, this is Thumbs Up Official, and I am Jasmine Alvino. You click the subscription icon, subscribe. Not only that, gives us a thumbs up. If you find value in what I am doing here, online tutoring job is very great for your teenagers. So a site I recommend is tutorme.com. They can actually check that site out and teach the subjects they love so much. So thank you so much tuning in. This is live. This is Thumbs Up Official. We thought everything money is important. Not only that, we give you advice on personal development and we share some skills, value added skills to you on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Go and check out my other videos on Amazon, KDP, ebook cover creation and so on and so forth. How to start a blog. There are lots of videos on this channel, and before you go, don't forget to check them out. Thank you so much once again. Love you all. Watch out for my next video. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.